I also have my Yamaha Warrior 350 out. I put same brand light bar, just a little bit smaller on this one. I think this one's a 7-inch. The one that we put on the Honda is a 12-inch. If I'm not mistaken, I haven't admittedly measured them and it didn't say it on the box. But as with the Honda, you know, I don't have the keys right now, but we had it wired up to those switches. With the Yamaha, we did the same thing. Just go ahead and turn the key on. Currently the headlights are off. Put them on low. We have our normal headlights. Then go and move the switch to high. And we have our light bar. So low is those, high is light bar. Low, high. Low, high. And apparently if you get it stuck in the middle, it'll run them both. I don't think that's good for it though. It's low and then high. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show. It's the yellow wire in there. What I did is I just snipped off, because basically if you only adapt it to one yellow wire, you're going to have still one headlight on when you have your brights on. So what I did is I just completely eliminated the other yellow wire on the other headlight, and I just stripped it back and electrical taped it out of the way so it wouldn't short on anything. So basically when you have your light bar on, neither of your headlights are on, and then when you go back, both of your headlights are on, your light bar is off. Anyway, don't want to take too much of your time, just wanted to show you guys what I did with the Yamaha to make it work similar to the Honda. If you haven't seen the Honda video, go see the Honda video. Very similar. It's just using the blue wire instead of a yellow wire with the Yamaha. Both do the same thing. Both are the brights wire.